Hey guys, and welcome to AB Takeover. Hi guys, I'm Aziz.
And I'm Bianca, and today we're going to be trying some Asian treats. So we're going to be trying these chips. I do not know what they are called.
There's some strawberries on them.
No, they look like cherry blossoms.
Strawberries.
Some cherry blossom
Cherry
chips.
blossoms. Do they smell nice?
They smell like plain chips.
I do. Have a taste.
It's got a really weird taste.
It's like salt and vinegary, but it's not. It's the kind of salt and vinegary, I believe. I don't know what they taste. They're not bad, but just a weird taste. You don't like them?
No, I don't like them.
No?
I do not like them at all. Keep trying, just eat another one.
Yeah. One was enough. One was enough.
They're not the best tasting thing. Like, they're okay when you taste them at the start, but then like after a while the taste is like...
The taste between like salt and vinegar, light and tangy, it's like a mix.
It's so
like
weird.
A mix.
It's so weird.
Let's try the next one. Here we got some marshmallows. Blueberry, I believe they're in them. Yeah, blueberry.
They have a center.
Oh, that was center, yeah.
Some center thing.
You gonna open that?
Are you meant to cook these?
Cook them? Cooking. It says cooking marshmallows, but there's blueberries in them.
One for you.
Cheers.
That's how they look. Cheers.
A little bit of a not marshmallow, blueberry in them.
I like them.
Tastes like, what's a blueberry bubble gum?
I really like them.
You like anything blueberry? Fun fact. Stop eating, chubby bunny. Let me taste one. Another one. They're cute, but
They're actually really good.
they're really nice.
I have some. I'm gonna keep these for later.
Keep them. We got these from Daiso's if you want to try them in Melbourne, High Point. What's that one?
Guessing this is some matcha. I don't know how to say it. Matcha wafer stick things.
Green tea flavoured?
Matcha wafer. I don't know. Green tea. Either one.
I don't like green tea. I'm not a big fan of green tea.
No.
See how they taste.
They come in little packets. Those blueberries have a minty taste.
No, I like that. It's really nice. I think you had one too many. Oh, thank you.
They just look like little sticks.
Like wafer. You didn't cheese me. Ah. Nah. No. No. Green tea, not a big fan of it. No. They're not bad actually. They're not bad now. I have more.
Do you want them?
No, thank you.
You can have it.
No. You know the worst thing?
I don't like matcha. I don't know what the hell it's called.
Probably gonna throw it in the bin, but. Yeah.
What's next?
Oh. This is in front of me. These strawberry.
Looks like strawberry and cream.
Yeah, that's what they are. Strawberry and cream. They look like they
Oh,
have.
they got a scented.
The center is strawberry. I mean cream, sorry.
It is condensed milk and strawberry candy.
Look nice. I picked this one. I like strawberry. Try it. You open all of them.
I will. It's not my fault you take. Oh, they're in little packets.
Ooh. Let me taste it first. Can't even open it.
I'm not a big fan of condensed milk though.
I like condensed milk.
I don't really like condensed milk.
You get the milky taste straight away. I've been into it. It's actually
Not
really
too
nice.
bad.
I really like it. But you can taste the milk. The milk. The milky taste is...
Nah.
You don't like it? You can taste the milk straight away, and then once you bite into it,
No.
it's even worse. But I like it.
I don't like
Bianca
milk.
doesn't like condensed milk.
I
so.
really do not like anything milk related. I'm very
Except
fussy.
cheese. She likes cheese.
Even then I'm really
No?
fussy. No, like I'm really like fussy when it comes to like cheeses. The only cheese I like is like tasty cheese. That's some good cheese. Bigger tasty cheese. I think they have bigger anymore. It's Kraft now.
Kraft, yeah. Kraft.
Alright, this, not for me.
I like them. Put it on my side.
You can put it on your side. Now.
Oh no, not them, please. They don't. Oh.
I don't know what these are, but feeling the packet, they feel like little squishy things.
Little jellies. Like, ooh.
They're grape. It's got pictures of grapes on it.
You're hoping they're great.
I'm really hoping they're great, and I really hope they're nice. That really left a bad taste in my mouth.
Yeah.
Let's hope this smells nice.
You can try it first.
It smells like, you know when you were little and you went to the fruit shop and they had those like little jelly things?
They took them off shelves for a while because the little kids used to choke on them. That's not fun, something to laugh at, but you know.
Oh my god, they literally smell it.
Oh!
Smell it, guys. It smells like those things.
Jeez, that was a strong smell.
It seriously smells like those like little jelly, like those fruit jelly things.
Have some vanilla tart. Oh no, they look like grapes. I'm gonna have a bit of my Coke because.
What to mind my big head?
Oh, and your orange hand. Oh, I don't want to taste that. That smell got to me.
Yeah.
I want to taste it, but
Taste it.
I don't think.
I'm really hoping.
They feel like they're a grape.
It feels like a grape.
But a harder grape. It's not the worst. Like a jelly. But that smell, I took it in, it was like a really strong smell.
It's actually not bad.
I don't like. I'm not
It's
a big
actually,
fan.
it's actually not that bad.
You like grape?
Yeah, I love grape.
Mm.
I'm liking these. Big fan of them, but I'll only be able to eat one at a time.
Yeah, not like the marshmallows where you put like 5 in your mouth. And
Marshmallows are nice.
they were nice them ones, but the minty taste. Here we go. We've got these soda gummy candy over here.
Blue.
They're blue, yeah. Blue. Let's try. Let me open one for once.
Do you know how to open it?
Yes, I do. Thank you very much. They smell.
Oh my god, they look like little Coke bottles.
A little Coke bottle. Oh, here you go. Have one. They like the little Coke bottle.
Ooh, they like sugar on them.
Mmm.
A little Coke bottle.
Let's taste this. Cheers. Ding.
Oh, what was on that? But it's on my teeth. They're not.
They look blue. It might be colourblind or something. I'll have this.
They're minty.
Doesn't say minty on them, just says soda gummy candy. Yeah, they have a really like minty taste. Yeah, I don't like these ones. Do you like them?
Nope.
Put them in the middle.
Alrighty, next.
Oh no, I don't like them. More I'm eating it.
I'm gonna try these.
Chips.
I'm guessing they're prawn chips. I'm hoping they're prawn chips. I like prawn chips.
Yeah, I like prawn chips as well. I used to always get them when I was little, but you know now I always get it when we go to Tom Bistro and stuff like that.
They smell like those like crab stick things.
Yeah, they actually smell really nice. They don't have a strong smell. Hopefully they don't have a strong taste. Ding.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A bit fishy. But
Yeah. They're actually really nice, I reckon. Really good, yeah. Thumbs up.
big thumbs up. I like these.
Taste more. Don't hog them.
I'm a fan.
Really, really nice. Really. Save all the good ones, leaves me the not good ones, but that's fine. Alright, let me pick one. I'm going to pick these. Go in front of me. I don't know what they are. I really...
They look like twisties.
I really don't know. They feel like twisties. They look like twisties. But who knows?
If anyone knows the name of these though, like please tell us in the comments the names of these things, because I do not understand this Asian writing at all.
Yeah. Are you going to open them? Are you going to open them?
Rich cheese. I got it. It says it at the back. It says scone rich cheese.
Hopefully it's nice.
They'll probably be like twisties.
Hopefully.
If you don't know what twisties are, they're literally just like a little cheese stick.
Or you can get chicken flavours. Mm. They smell like twisties.
Yeah.
Smell them. They look like twisties.
They don't smell that good as twisties though. Twisties like smell.
They look like twisties. That looks like a... Yeah.
It looks like a twisty.
They're not the worst. Yeah, they're nice. That's like corn.
Yeah.
They taste like corn chips.
They taste like...
There's these corn chips over in Cyprus when I went. They're like a circle and they taste exactly like corn. They taste like them. These are just the long versions. I might save them. I can take these ones. She takes everything, so I'll take these ones. Put in my collection.
Alrighties, now I'm thinking of trying a drink. We have two drinks. We've got a melon one. Melon soda. And we've got one of these ones, but I might try this blue one. Because I know with these, there's like a little ball thing that goes in it.
A ball thing?
Yeah, there's like a little ball thing in it.
Oh.
And I know you push it. I know you gotta...
A few moments later.
Now we're going to give it a try after that inconvenience. Do you want to try it first? You try it first because you went all through that effort to open it.
It better taste nice.
You know.
Like my whole room now is like covered in this shit. Covered.
So is your head.
Yeah, so is myself.
Taste. Some ball thing dropped into it after.
Like some ball thing you have to drop into. I know that. But I didn't think it sprays
everywhere. Is that a
everywhere.
marble?
Yeah, it's meant to be like a fizzer, I think. But I didn't know it sprays everywhere. Like my bed has it.
Oh.
Out of all things.
Nice. Worth it?
Not really. It's really fizzy.
I like it. I actually really like it. Was it worth getting everywhere dirty? No. But it was nice. Alright, the next thing I'm going to choose is this. It looks like a bit of a, you know, like a dessert sort of thing. With a little bit of custard and coffee, it looks like. We'll try one of these and see. It's all sticky because of the blue. Oh, they're pretty cute.
Does it smell nice?
It does smell. It smells like a cracker.
It does.
It smells like a cracker, but it looks like a little... I don't know what it looks like. Cheese. Oh. Did you use a cracker?
Mini cheese.
Mini cheese. I did not see that. When I tasted into the middle bit, I tasted the middle bit. It did not taste nice. Let's move on from that. Try something else.
What I really want to try is these. They're little biscuits filled with strawberry. And these ones have Disney prints on them.
Mickey Mouse?
They've got Mickey Mouse, they've got princesses.
You got the duck, Donald Duck.
They've got Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Let's see what's in here.
Ooh.
think you're just emptying them all in there.
There's
Oh my
little
god, I
characters
found Ariel!
Oh no, not Ariel.
Look, I found Ariel.
Bianca's a major fan of Ariel. She loves it.
Big fan of Ariel.
She's got a
I'm
lot
gonna
of pop
take
lines
that
and
one.
stuff.
I'm gonna pop him in here.
Pop them in. Let me see if I find anything I like. I don't know what that guy's name is. Is that Bunny? Bugs Bunny?
That's Stitch. Bugs Bunny's Looney Tunes.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
This guy's Stitch.
He's got Stitch, I've got Ariel. And let's try
Stitchy.
them and see.
Cheese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thumbs up for this one.
I like those ones.
Any other characters you can find?
You got Snow White. Snow White.
It's Bugs Bunny, isn't it?
There's no Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny is Looney Tunes.
I thought that was Bugs Bunny, and Bianca just said legit 5 seconds ago it was Looney Tunes.
It's my life.
I'm loony, that's why. Whatever this guy is, I'm gonna have him. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a big thumbs up from both of us, I believe.
I like this one.
Yeah.
That one can stay there.
Alright,
We'll pick at it.
pick up that one. Alright, I'm gonna pick these ones. I think they're another. They say caramel corn.
Where? It's matcha flavour though.
Oh, I thought it was caramel corn
It
flavour.
says matcha.
Oh, see, I thought that was the brand, matcha.
No, it's matcha flavour.
What's that taste like? Is that
That's
taste like the green tea?
Yeah.
No. Oh, well, I didn't like that green tea one.
I don't like a lot of things.
Somehow they ended up on my side, so I guess I'm eating them later. Can you open it? No, I don't want to taste it.
It smells like cannabis.
She's not a druggie, guys, but
It seriously smells like that's just.
it looks like cannabis. I'm joking, it doesn't.
That's what it looks like a shit.
It does
It
actually
looks
smell
like
like
a green
cannabis.
shit. Oh no.
I've still got the strawberry taste in my mouth. Thank God, because if it tastes ugly, then it will taste not bad.
Oh. No.
I can't taste them. Do I have another bite? You recommend it? Because I just taste the strawberry thing we had before, the little strawberry lollies, thank God. But let's.
Oh.
It's caramel corn.
No.
It's like the.
Eat it. Have another one.
No, one's enough.
Have another one.
No, I don't want another one. I can taste it.
Have another
No,
one.
matcha. No. No. It tastes like caramel corn to me, and then it
There's
tastes
a
like.
person who goes, oh, it's the best taste ever.
I never said it's the best taste ever. Give me another taste. I'm gonna get that matcha out of my mouth. Ah, I like this.
Next, I'm going to pick this one. And I have a feeling it's something not that nice. It is Camucho. I think that's right. It looks like ginger to me. I don't like ginger. Ginger's spicy.
I definitely don't like ginger.
Ow.
Let me open it. Choose your teeth. Smell it.
Okay, smells like just like a plain potato chip.
It does. Oh, with a different scent.
No.
but I believe it's different.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's not nice. Hot.
Eat it.
Spicy.
It's weird, but it's so nice.
It's a very weird taste when you first have it, but then it comes with a spicy taste, which is nice.
It's not bad.
Tastes like the dumplings we had before.
It's got like a...
One's enough for me, but...
It's got like a wasabi taste during it, but at the end, all you can taste is the potato chip, which is nice. I like that.
I don't know what I can't explain what the initial taste is. You just have to go try it.
Ooh.
Let's have like a lolly base. This one has hearts in it. There's a purple and there's a pink heart.
There's grape and strawberry. It's a heart candy.
It's pretty much, yeah.
Heart candy.
Let's have one. You can have grape.
Thank you.
They come in these little packets. I got the girl in it. Bianca's got the boy in it.
Because I'm the man.
No. Just because I like strawberry.
I can't
You
open
like
it.
grape. I'll wait for you to open it. I'm nice like that. Don't help.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
After you hold this. You can have that one if you want.
Thanks.
Cheers.
The little heart. It tastes good.
I don't want to bite into it though. Who knows what's in the middle? It just tastes like the strawberry, like heart lollies that are
It
here.
reminds me of the ones on those machines that you do and you win like, they got the toys on one side and the lollies on
Yeah.
one side.
I
And then you get like those heart lollies and they're like that.
Yeah. Yeah, actually really nice.
Alright, so now we're going to try these.
What are they?
Soya sauce flavoured.
Oh my god. I like soy sauce, but in a chip or a... What's that?
And they look like crackers. They look like little rice crackers.
I like rice crackers, but...
They don't smell like much.
They don't have it smell. They just have a...
They're so little.
They don't taste like soy sauce to me.
I don't know how I feel about it.
No? They just taste like a normal cracker.
I'm not too sure. I don't know. Move on to the next one.
Alright. I'm going to try the melon soda. Hopefully this time I'm going to open it so it doesn't go anywhere, but if it does,
I'd
I do
rather it be
apologise.
me going everywhere than you making it go everywhere.
Alright, you do it because it's your room.
No, you can do
Alright
it.
then. That was a bit of a smart idea. So it didn't go anywhere, but it actually smells really nice.
Oh my god, it smells like a lolly.
Yeah, it does smell like a lolly. You have it first. See.
I can't drink from these.
It's like a canned bottle.
It tastes like rock melon.
It does. It just tastes like a rock melon.
Is it rock melon?
It says melon. It could be a rock melon. It can be a melon dew.
It just says melon flavoured. But to me it tastes like a rock melon.
Melon dew? But that's the other one.
That's honeydew.
No, honey. I don't know. There's a we'll put one on the screen.
Right here. We have two more left. Two more things. I'm going to try these ones and let's see how they
We
are.
got that left, and we also got this. We'll try the ninja one, as I call it.
Some ninja chips. It's going to turn me into a ninja. Ooh, they look so cool.
They smell weird.
They do smell
They
weird.
look not. What is that?
I do not know. What is that?
Are they all the same, or they're just cut differently?
I think they were just cut.
Doesn't smell nice. Oh, it's just soft and like melts in your mouth, but I don't know what flavour it is. Bianca just eats it. I don't know what they are. Nah.
I think it's seaweed.
You sure?
I think it's seaweed.
Tastes nice.
I like
actually-
them.
It's not bad, but
I like them.
when you put your saliva on it, it just melts.
I actually like them.
I'm on the edge with this one. Here we go. We got this last lolly.
Tastes like a soggy chip.
We got this last lollies.
There's 3 apple flavours.
Apple. Oh, there's 3 apple flavours.
Yeah, you can enjoy 3 kinds of delicious apples.
You want one of each or just want one? Pick one. I'll pick this blue. I'm not blue. Pink one. Sorry. They don't smell like anything. Are you going for the lighter pink?
The lighter pink colour.
I got the darker pink.
If I can open this. Because you know, I ain't that talented. Okay. No, it doesn't have a smell. I like the taste of this one.
Mine just tastes like apple.
Kind of tastes like a peach.
Mine tastes like a green apple maybe.
Then again, it just tastes like apple juice too. I kind of like it though.
Yeah, it is really nice.
Alrighty guys, so I didn't have many favourites. I really only like the marshmallows, those like grape thingies.
Yeah.
I liked these ones. And I also like the strawberry filled biscuits. They were really good. I'd rate them. I'd say go buy them.
I wouldn't have them again, like just have a day-to-day thing. Maybe only the strawberry things because they taste, you know, maybe normal. I wouldn't have
Good
Bianca's.
snacks.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't have it. Yeah, they're good snacks, but yeah.
Be aware though with that drink with the little ball thing in it.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't go
because
everywhere.
I'll tell you now, just don't do what I did where it just...
It's not supposed to be for your hair and the walls and the ground and the bed.
My mum's just gonna, you know.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.
For more videos to come. Thank you.